Musicals incorporate more acting. For those of you who are auditioning, that brings a different need to the table. So now they're looking for your acting skills. Oftentimes, they are wanting to know if you're able to sing and dance. So now we're breaking free of the ballet realm, and sometimes you need to have jazz or tap, and that's where we start talking about being a triple threat. There are many musicals that you can find in video form or online, but I really encourage that, again, you see one in person. If you're ever in New York, Broadway has a wide array of options to choose from, and more often than not, you can find something that is more your cup of tea. Again, there's a difference between a musical versus a play. Plays are more acting, whereas musicals incorporate dance to the mix. I encourage you to check some of those out and explore the wide array of possibilities. I will see you tomorrow as we talk about recitals. I will see you then.